Imagine this. You sit down at your computer, ready to learn web development, and suddenly you're drowning in a swamp of tutorials, frameworks, and random buzzwords. React here, Vue there, and someone yelling about GraphQL like it's the answer to life itself. Yeah, that's not how I'd start if I was learning in 2025. Here's the smarter path. Start with the raw stuff: HTML, CSS, and plain old JavaScript. I'm not talking about memorizing cheat sheets or copying code from Stack Overflow. I mean actually building tiny things. A personal homepage that looks like your corner of the internet. A to-do list app that makes you feel like, whoa, I actually built this. These little wins are the foundation, and once you get them, frameworks stop feeling like dark magic. After that, modern JavaScript. Not just syntax. I'm talking about promises, async await, ES6 features. Think of them like the secret menu of your favorite restaurant. You don't need them to order, but once you know, you'll never go back. And forget jQuery. In 2025, the browser itself is powerful enough. Vanilla JS is like having superpowers without the cape. Next comes frameworks. Here's the trick. Don't collect them like Pokemon. Pick one. React is still king, but you could just as easily choose Vue, Svelte, or Angular. Stick to one until you can ship a real project, a blog with Next.js, a small e-commerce site, whatever excites you. Once you've mastered one, the rest are just dialects of the same language. But here's where most beginners mess up. They ignore the backend. You don't need to be some backend wizard with a long beard. Just learn the basics. Node.js with Express, or even easier, Next.js API routes. Build a simple notes app. Let users log in, save stuff, pull it from a database. That's when the aha moments start hitting. Speaking of databases, don't panic. I know the word alone scares off half of beginners, but tools like Supabase, PlanetScale, and Firebase in 2025 make it insanely easy. It's not cheating. Companies use them too. Just get the basics: tables, relations, queries. Go deep into SQL later if you want. Now, the real cheat code for learning? Projects, not tutorials. Projects you can actually finish. A weather app, a blog, maybe even a basic chat app if you're feeling ambitious. Every finished project teaches you more than 10 half-watched tutorials ever will. Science even backs this up. Active practice beats passive learning every time. And one last thing. Deploy early. Back when I started, I thought deployment was this mythical skill only senior devs had. Nope. In 2025, you can push code to GitHub and ship it live with Vercel or Netlify in minutes. That moment when you see your site actually online, pure dopamine. And it makes your portfolio look real, not like a slideshow. So if I had to start over, my roadmap would be simple. Foundations first. Modern JavaScript second. One framework, backend basics, databases with modern tools, project-based learning, and deploy as soon as you can. That's the fastest way to become dangerous in web development without wasting years. And hey, if you're ready to start that journey, stick around. Because CodeBlastX is here to make sure you don't just learn code, you actually build cool stuff with it.